This journey through time invites viewers to delve into the profound history of the Islamic State, tracing its development from the era of Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, to the conclusion of the Rashidun Caliphate. The narrative begins with an enthralling introduction that emphasizes the historical importance of this period and outlines the significant phases covered, including the eras of Prophet Muhammad and the four Rashidun caliphs. The adventure commences with the early life of Prophet Muhammad, showcasing his upbringing, the momentous revelation of the Quran, and the incredible challenges faced by early Muslims in Mecca. The scene vividly captures the hijra to Medina, marking the establishment of the first Islamic State, and highlights defining moments such as the battles of Badr, Uhud, and Khandak, and the Treaty of Hudaybiyah. A contemplative depiction of the Prophet's final sermon and passing underscores his enduring legacy. Next, the narrative transitions to the era of Caliph Abu Bakr as-Siddiq. It portrays the early challenges he encountered, including the Ridda Wars, and his pivotal role in preserving the unity of the Muslim Ummah. His significant contributions to the spread of Islam are spotlighted, depicting him as a stabilizing force. Following Abu Bakr, the focus shifts to Caliph Umar ibn al-Khattab. His tenure is marked by the vast expansion of the Islamic State, encompassing conquests of Persia and the Levant. Umar's profound impact on governance and justice is illustrated through his notable administrative and social reforms. The depiction of his assassination and enduring legacy adds a dramatic touch to this chapter. The narrative then turns to Caliph Uthman ibn Affan, emphasizing his monumental work in compiling the Quran into a single book. The ongoing expansion under his rule and the internal challenges he faced are depicted, culminating in the unrest leading to his assassination. This turmoil sets the stage for the next caliph, Ali ibn Abi Talib. Ali's leadership is portrayed by highlighting his early life, his close bond with Prophet Muhammad, and his ascension to the caliphate. The civil strife and key battles of his reign, such as the Battle of the Camel and the Battle of Siffin, are brought to life, underscoring his contributions to Islamic thought and the lasting legacy of his leadership. The Rashidun Caliphate concludes with the transition to the Umayyad Caliphate, illustrating the end of an era and summarizing the key achievements and enduring impacts of the Rashidun Caliphs on Islamic history. The final moments encourage viewers to reflect on the significant events and contributions of this transformative period, urging them to subscribe for more compelling historical content and to share their thoughts. The end screen features calls to action for subscribing, liking, and following on social media, while displaying suggestions for related videos and social media handles.